everyone and welcome back to Mr. Favorite Hobby. So today I want to share my way how to remove your Hot Wheel Tampos, because not everyone loves the Hot Wheel Tampos, some more that when they have an error tempo on the body. So today I want to share how to remove your Hot Wheel Tempo. So first thing first, you need to prepare your stuff or your material. First, you need an curve, but it's an white board marker, not a permanent marker, and of tissue, of course your Hot Wheels car. So you just need very simple way, and no need to open the Hot Wheels or no need to drill this to remove the decals here. So here I want to show how to remove an Hot Wheels Tempo. So it's very simple way. So first thing, open your marker, of course. After that, you draw something like this on your tempo. So is this, you can see. So I will draw something here. I mean like in this body, okay, you can see. I will draw something here. You need to draw a bit longer so that the tempo will be out from the body. Okay, it's a very simple way. Just draw a bit longer. I think around 50 seconds is enough. Okay, so wait, still haven't finished. Keep it up. Okay, still. After that, okay, so it's already black, and you just wipe the balance. Okay, so you can see the tempo of Hot Wheel is already gone. So very simple and very easy way. After that, I'm gonna show you all the body. Okay, for example, like on the hood. Okay, here you can see on the hood. Okay, I'm gonna delete the Dodge logo here. Okay, I'm gonna delete the logo, Dodge logo, sorry. Alright, so here I'm gonna draw something here. Find the ink marker here. Okay, I'm still gonna draw it here. Okay, I will draw it some. Alright, you can see the Dodge logo is almost gone. Just draw what you like. I wipe it again, and you can see the Dodge tempo is already lost. I mean already filled up by that marker. So these are my way how I remove my Hot Wheels tempo if you don't like it. And I'm gonna show you. So this is the after, so this is the before. Okay, these are the before. Okay, watch careful, these are before, and after this I'm gonna back when this already gone. Right, the final result. So I don't open any, I mean like this revert. Okay, I don't open the revert, so I just use whiteboard marker. Okay, whiteboard marker. So this is my whiteboard marker and a piece of tissue just to wipe the the marker. So these are the final result. So I'm gonna do a picture. So these are the above is the before and the below is the after. So you can see differences. So you don't need to spray to remove the tempo of your Hot Wheels car. So just use whiteboard marker and a piece of tissue, and it's very easy and very cheap way how you can remove your Hot Wheels tempo. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and I hope this video is useful for you. And don't forget to click like this video and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks and about diecast. So thank you everyone for watching Mr. Favorite Hobby. Until next time, bye.